Have you ever noticed those stubborn grease stains that snuck through the dryer? Let's get them looking great again. Our stain fighters for this mission are some liquid dish soap and gloves, keeping it simple and effective. First up, measure out about a tablespoon of dish soap. This is going to be our grease-fighting champion. Add a few drops of hot water. We don't need a lot, just enough to blend well with our soap. Gently blend the hot water and dish soap to form this super grease fighter. Let's bring the mix to the battlefield. Apply it generously over the grease stain. It's showtime! Here's where we put in some work. Rub the fabric against itself to really get the soap into the stain. Now, we wait. Give the solution an hour to sit on the stain. Think of it as a mini spa session for your clothes. Wipe off the excess soap with a paper towel. We're keeping it neat and tidy. Almost done. Wash the garment in your machine with cool or warm water following your clothing's care label. Skip the dryer this time. Let the garment air dry to ensure the stain is completely gone. If that stain is still hanging around, just repeat these steps. Persistence is the key to stain removal. If you found our grease-fighting video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips like these. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.